back with episode 6. Before we jump into episode 6, let's discuss what we have done in episode 5 till episode 5, I guess. Yeah. So in episode 5, till episode 5, what we have done was we designed the templates, we wired a working prototype on level.dev. Secondly, we have added a bulk functionality where users can generate multiple signals at the same time, also manage those signature at the same place as well. In episode 6 particularly, what we'll be doing, firstly we'll be testing bulk functionality, how it is working on the platform, is it working perfectly fine, there are some bugs or not there. If there, we'll be definitely fixing those. Post that, we'll be creating a login and sign up functionality for the team, where companies or the individuals can log into the platform and use this particular feature, where they can generate signatures and manage those signatures as well. Also, YouTube tells me that 80% of you watch but don't subscribe, which is fine. If you are learning anything here, hit subscribe. It helps me more than you think. Thank you. Here, I'll be just checking functionality, how it is working as of now. Is there any backend issue I have to fix, or is there some additional features I have to add? While checking it, I just noticed there is one feature which is quite missing, I would say, which is more like once user uploads the template, the Excel file particularly, we have noticed there is no particular error states or any success state, like how many entries they have, how many errors they have in the particular stage. Also, while uploading, they forgot to add certain details, we are not highlighting those things. So in this step, I'll be fixing those bugs and helping user with those kind of features where they can check is the template is okay or not. Now, as you can see, this feature is working. There are lots of errors and other states that we have added in the particular journey. Now it is easy for users to identify which points they have missed out upon, and they can also edit the same while adding the signatures as well. Since this feature is working now, let's move to our next part of this particular episode, which is creating a login and sign up page for the same. So for the login, basic credentials will be asking. You can log in with like email ID and password. But for the sign up, I might ask certain more details. So details more towards like, I need your first name, last name, or I just need your name, email address. Is it corporate email? That will be detailed from backend, or it's a personal email. Phone number, it's an optional field, it's not mandatory field. They can skip it. And in the next step, I'll be asking them to enter the password. Password in the sense of they can log into that particular password. And lastly, they have to verify the email before using the platform itself. Verify in the sense of we'll send a verification link via Superbase, and once they verify, they can start using the platform. Till then, they are not eligible to use the platform. Yep. Here, I'll be checking feature. Feature in the sense of end-to-end sanity check. What I mean by that, I'll start from the login or sign up page, where users can create an account, they can log in with the same account, parallelly, we'll be creating a signature. We'll be managing those signatures in that particular account, and let's see how it works. Just a quick recap what we have done in episode 6 so far. We have tested the bulk feature, we have created a login and sign up feature. Parallelly, we have tested the same, and yeah, it's working fine so far. As usual, if you want the feature, if you want to test the feature, comment beta below over. I'll send the beta link. And if you want the latest Figma file for the same, just comment Figma below it. I'll send the Figma file for it. And yeah, that's all so far for the episode 6. If you have made it so far in the video, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.